Arlo Technologies is known for its advanced wireless security cameras, offering AI-powered motion detection, night vision, and cloud storage. But does it really deliver on all its promises? Today, I'm diving into an honest review of the Arlo system, covering everything from setup to real-world performance. Starting with the website, Arlo's homepage immediately highlights its flagship cameras and smart doorbells. The layout is sleek and modern, making navigation easy. The top menu gives quick access to product categories, support, and subscription plans. However, one downside I noticed is the push toward signing up for their subscription service right away, which may not be ideal for those looking for a simple, no subscription solution. When browsing the product pages, each camera model is well detailed with key specifications, high-quality images, and comparison charts. The pricing is clearly displayed, but you'll quickly realize that Arlo cameras are on the higher end compared to competitors, like Ring or UV. The real question is whether the extra cost is worth it. Setting up an Arlo camera is straightforward. The website provides guides and FAQs, but you'll still need to download the Arlo app to complete the process. The app itself is well designed, allowing you to customize motion detection zones, adjust video quality, and set up automation features. However, a common complaint among users is that some advanced features require a paid Arlo Secure subscription, limiting functionality for those who prefer local storage. Speaking of features, Arlo cameras boast high-resolution video, color night vision, and AI-based motion detection. In testing, the image quality is crisp, even in low light. The AI detection is decent at distinguishing between people, animals, and vehicles, but occasional false alerts can be frustrating. The cloud storage option is convenient but expensive over time. For those who prefer local storage, some models support microSD cards or external storage, but this requires additional hardware. One major concern for potential buyers is the reliability of Arlo servers. Since the system relies heavily on cloud services, occasional server downtime can impact access to recorded footage. While Arlo claims to have strong security measures in place, cloud dependency is always a factor to consider for privacy-conscious users. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of customer service, Arlo has a mixed reputation. Some users report quick responses and helpful support, while others have struggled with delayed responses and troubleshooting issues. If you run into hardware problems, the warranty covers defects, but getting a replacement can sometimes be a slow process. Arlo's subscription model is another sticking point. While basic features, like live streaming and local storage are available without a subscription, cloud recording, AI-based detection, and advanced security features require an Arlo Secure plan. Pricing for these plans can add up, making it a costly long-term investment. Overall, Arlo Technologies delivers high-quality smart home security cameras with impressive video quality and AI features. However, the high price, reliance on cloud services, and subscription costs may not be for everyone. If you're looking for a premium, feature-packed security system and don't mind the cost, Arlo is a solid choice. But if you prefer a budget-friendly or completely local storage solution, you might want to explore alternatives. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Arlo and what your experience has been.